Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two steps I can suggest in fixing this issue. First is to turn off your device, so you should press and hold on the volume button together with the power button and then turn it off. You may also turn off your device by opening settings and going to general and scroll down to the bottom of the page until you can see the shutdown option. Also, if you have the assistive touch like this one, you may click on it, proceed to device, click on more, and then you may see restart on the lower left corner. And then, if it still doesn't work, you should now open settings, go to general, scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset and click on reset all settings. And then again, if it still doesn't work, please contact Apple support or proceed to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more information. So that's it. That's how you can fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.